Welcome to the gulag. Today we're learning how to do hair. First, I'm just taking 3 strands and I'm gonna braid my hair back in a French braid. So for one, if you don't know how to do a French braid, I would highly recommend looking up a tutorial for that. If you don't do a French braid, I would start with just 3 strands. Don't try to add more like I am. But if you do know how to do it, then just French braid it back. It's really not that hard. You can probably get it in like under 10 tries if you're dedicated. But if you don't know how to French braid and you're in like a time crunch or something, I would recommend probably skipping this hairstyle. My name is Lev, and today I'm learning how to do your locks. I just realized I didn't introduce myself. How freaking rude, right? Yeah. And there it is. I like that. I'm not even the best French braider out there, and that still looks pretty darn nice. If you catch my griff, if you can see what I'm saying, that's nice. And then I just took the other side out, and I actually really like that. I know in the video I said it made me look like a rockster, and there's my pictures, and basic transition. That's like what, 4 braids, and I'm just 4 braids in the middle of my hair, put them in a rubber band, put them back, and then what am I doing? Oh yep, and then I go in the back of my hair, and I just put some of those in a ponytail. That's got to be like 10 of them in the back, but there should still be some in front of that, and there should still be some behind that, if that makes sense. So I literally just went middle of my head, took a couple, and I slid that rubber band down just a little bit, so it's not like a big high ponytail, it's more low. I did the same thing there. Not all, there should still be some in the front, still be some in the back. Put it low. Then I took the rest of the front back. Got it. And I was trying to find where the part that I already put up was at. But I taken the front. And what you about to do with it? Do with it, Lab. What you about to do with it? And I put it to the back. That makes sense, right? And I took those 4 out, the 4 that I had, and then this one is good for pictures. I like it. And I'm just tightening that up. So yeah, you should have 2 bangs, and then like 2 bangs in the front, and then 2 bangs like period. And this is what I'm saying. Like, not all of it should be in one ponytail. There should be some in a ponytail and then some laid out. I like that. It kind of is giving like bug antenna. That's what it's giving, like grasshopper. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice, if I do say so myself. And here's my pictures with a little, what is it called? Oh yeah, and if you just take all 4 of those back and you just put them down, that's a pretty cute style too. And then you can just do that style with like a variation of how many bangs you do. It's cute. Yeah, that was cute. I like that. That's kind of giving like, I don't know, it's giving me tribal for some reason. But yeah, that style with any amount of bangs would be nice. Then I'm just taking all that stuff out. And what am I doing? Yep, I'm putting a ponytail in the back. And then I'm just adding another ponytail back to that. And I wrapped that hair around the ponytail. You can see, like, I put one ponytail in, and I took the hair on my right side of the head, and I just wrapped that around. And then let's see, what did I do with that one? I added it to the long ponytail. Yeah, I added that to the long ponytail. No, I think I wrapped that part around. I don't know. Try it for yourself. You can try wrapping it around, or you could just try adding it to the ponytail. I like that a little bit, not even gonna lie, not even gonna fake to you. It's kind of big, because you know with butterfly locks, every style you do is kind of like enlarged or whatever, so you just have to find a way to make it work for you. But if you like that, I love it. If you like it, I love it. And here's the pictures for that. You know, I'm feeling it. Then, you know, we're gonna go back we're gonna go back to putting it in the ponytail, you know, the back side. Add another ponytail, and then you're gonna do 4 different ponytails with this one. Oh wait, no, I'm braiding that. Yep, I'm braiding that hair. Oh, I just separated them so I could see what part. So yeah, you braid the left side out, you braid the middle, and then you braid the other right side. And I remember this style now. Yeah, I did this like 3 weeks ago, so like I'm trying to like remember what I did 3 weeks later. But I remember this one. And then you braid it. Yeah. And then you take 2 strands and you braid it. I took the left and the middle and I braided those together. Oh, it's 4. It's 4. Okay, so before you braid the right 2, before you braid the left 2, that's the left 2. So yeah, you braid the left. There's 4 braids, and you braid the left in the middle. I'm about to do that. Yeah. Oh no. I braided the right in the middle, one of the middles. What did I braid? You know, why isn't this clicking? No, okay, I know what I was saying. I braided the left and the middle, right? I braided the left in the middle, and then I put the next middle also into that braid, so that there's only one left on the right. That makes sense. Ooh, doggy, I'm tired. And then you you do that. Wait, I was struggling with this. Yeah, you like wrap it behind you, and then you take like a rubber band and bobby pins, and you pin all 4 of them up. You know, you should have like 3 in one braid and then just 1 left. And this is gonna take a good amount of bobby pins and a rubber band. You should rubber band them all together, and then where's the rubber band at? Yeah, you see the rubber band is on my hand. You rubber band them together, and then you put the bobby pins in. So yeah, 4 different braids. You braid 3 of them together, and then the last one you just kind of like wrap them together. And that's the back of it, makes it look cute. You would have to secure it down better than I did, but because it was only for a video, I did like the minimum amount that you needed to have it work. So kind of lazy. But I like that though, especially looking at it from the back. It's probably real cute. And this is me doing something. Okay, I'm French braiding. Yep, I'm French braiding one piece. Oh yeah, I'm French braiding one piece, and then I'm bringing down like the end of it and tying it to the hair over there. Yeah. So you just French, and then I had to reiterate how cute that was. But yeah, I just took a French braid and then I took it from one side of my hair and did on the other side. Whatever. Okay, putting this back into a ponytail. If this is confusing, sorry. I'm not gonna fix it or anything. I could, but I'm just not going to. Okay, yep. So big ponytail in the back. I think I did like 2 ponytails. Yeah, if this is confusing you guys, figure it out, sis. Sorry, that's really mean, but y'all, I'm kinda tired. What am I doing here? Yeah. Okay. Oh, alright. Yeah, I just put a ponytail using some of the back, and then the stuff that was left in the middle, I just put it in a low ponytail behind me, so it looked like bangs. So some of it is up and then some of it is down, but it all looks like one ponytail from the back. I like that. I might have to, copy that again. Okay, girl, you got a little bit too close to the camera. But yeah, that was 2 ponytails. In the front, I took 1 ponytail and then I put that with another ponytail. Yeah, but it all looks like one from the back. And this is me, being cute, because I am cute. Take my pictures, Go off, sis. And this is my exeduction or whatever, like introduction, but for exiting, I'm raw. You gonna be raw if you figure out how to do these styles. Let's go, subscribe. I want to pay my bills.